Discover a simplified gardening routine with PetraGrow All-In-One Plant Fuel, the solution for growers who want an easy-to-use, all-encompassing nutrient blend. Our 100% organic and vegan formula is sustainably sourced, providing everything your plants need from seedling up until harvest. The All-in-One Plant Fuel offers a well-rounded mix of primary and secondary macronutrients, carbohydrates, fatty acids, and all 18L amino acids. Derived from nutrient-rich ingredients like corn steep liquor, soy hydrolysate, and kelp, our plant fuel delivers outstanding results for both indoor and outdoor plants. Use it as a soil drench or foliar spray to maximize plant health and growth. The All-in-One Plant Fuel simplifies the growing process, allowing you to focus on cultivating high-quality plants with ease. So say goodbye to complicated fertilizers and embrace a streamlined approach to plant care. Experience the difference that PetraGrow All-in-One Plant Fuel can create to elevate your craft.